Hey guys, how to lock and unlock recently deleted photos on iPhone. So go ahead to the photos, scroll a little bit down, right? And go to the recently deleted right here. Of course, hit view album, okay? And you're gonna be able to see within the photo app. By default, this album is locked and requires a Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to access. To unlock it, simply tap on the album and authenticate with your chosen method. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.